guys, I'm back at it again with another video. I just finished making my other video, what's it called? Oh yeah, Animal Jam episode 3, and so this is episode 4. So, yay! And I think I'm going to, I only have, 530, I want to get, enough money to buy another animal, because I want to have another animal and then customize it. I want to buy one. I think I might buy a bunny, or let's see. I want to see what they have. I need another 500. Then I have these. Okay. Money. Load. Oh my goodness. Okay, I'm gonna get this already. I'm gonna get a bunny, or I might get a bunny or a panda, I think. Or maybe I need a wooden animal monkey. I don't know. Anyway, it's not my problem. Okay, let's go. And let's make some more money. We need 500 more to do sky high. Okay. I'm gonna lie down. There we go. Okay, here we go. Go! Oh yeah. Oh goodness, what's happening? Oh goodness. I'm so bad at this. Yes. And straight. I want to get to the top. People are saying that you could get a prize. I want a prize. No, damage! Okay. Wait, this is spending my gems to play it. Never mind. Fuck off. What? Oh my goodness. Let's go. Oh, 2 minutes left for the monkey's only pie. Let's go to someone's mega chemist. Mr. In my bash. Okay. Let's do this. Okay, party rockers, people. Let's do this. Let's do this. I'm probably gonna get membership on Animal Jam soon. Oh, actually this place is cool. Yep, cool. Yep, cool. Robert Boss. Okay, be my friend. People there. Names. Okay. I wanna. Oh my goodness, stop moving. My goodness. Oh, let's see the sale. I could get. Funny thing is, I could get all of this, most of this stuff, because they were like $3.50, $4.50. But I'm not a member. I just really am getting pissed off now about that. I want it. Oh, that's actually pretty cool. At 300, and I can get it, and it's not a member. And you can change color. Cool. Coolly. Oh, purple. Get your purple. Okay, then. Oh, I might get that. I want that. Okay. Well, let's go upstairs. See what's happening. Go up here. Bam. People, I love how on Animal Jam people just play around, pretend they're doctors, and I play My Little Pony. I don't know, some people don't do that, but I remember last time, I think it was last year, maybe early this year, I was playing Animal Jam, and someone, they were playing My Little Pony, and I remember back then I was into My Little Pony, and I was like, I wanna play, and then I was like, oh yeah, bitches, I'm Applejack. I'm Applejack. Come and see me. Y'all see me. Oh, I was really low. Anyways, okay. Goodness me. Okay. Well, I'm having a good time. Some people, I don't know, like people at school were saying that I sound like, because there's this new girl that subscribes to my channel, and she came to school, and she was like, she's actually in my classroom now. She's like, ah, I had a feeling you were black. And then I was like, what do you mean? And then she's like, I thought you sounded black when you were on Animal Jam and when you were like gaming on YouTube and stuff. And I was like, oh my goodness. I was like, yes, I'm not fully black, but I'm brown. I'm brown, okay, people, I'm brown. Just to let you guys know, I'm brown, not white, not black, I'm brown. Not brown, not black, not white, I'm brown. I'm tan brown. Like I was 8 I'm not black, I'm white. I mean, I'm getting mixed up now. I'm brown, okay. Anyways, let's stop talking about skin colors, because I don't want cute. But yeah. Okay. I might make a little talk show thingy. Not talk show, sorry. I might make a little talk thing. This place getting boring. This place getting boring. Let's see. Yes. Yes. The entrance. No. No, girl. No. Okay. Well, I think. How much money is it? We still have 500 and something. Yeah. We need some money. Money. Scooter Jamal Township. Better believe it. Nah. Play, it's time to impress. Come and climb in my bed. Yes, all in my hair. Play. I'm trying to sing that song, but I can't sing it on camera because then it'll be like, bleh. Oh, okay. Let's play check cover me. Oh, this girl Jammer. 17 something. Let's do this. It's her turn. Blip. Oh, girl, no. No. She has a plan, doesn't she? There. No. There's only one more, though. Like, no one's gonna win. Hopefully. Leg. Time to impress. She only has one choice. The heck? She only has one choice. Or is it my turn? No, it's her turn. She only has one choice right there. Mythical the book. Yeah, I won. Yeah. Who wants to play a game? Robert's boss. Something boss. Do you want to play a game with me? I feel like playing a game. I love the cards. Fine then. Okay, fine. Who wants to? Girl. Thinking love. 21. Girl, you cannot just ask for a spike and then expect someone to give it to you. Like, I like your honesty, but no. Okay. Nah, I'm not giving you no spike, even though I don't have one. Nah. Nah, nah, nah. Wanna be my friend? Blah, blah.